Efendim?
In the land of the giants, a European car has taken on all comers and won. The Renault 9, European Car of the Year 1982, has been voted American Car of the Year 1983 by Motor Trend magazine. Because even in America, a big uneconomical car has had its day. Europe said it first, now America says it too. The Renault 9. It's in great shape. Peel-off rod strip removes 10 coats of paint in one go. Peel-off rod strip from DIY stores everywhere.
When I was a lad, this may seem odd, I slipped a fish fingers try filling of cod. Bird's eye fish fingers have been such hits, cause they're real cod filling, never full of grey bits. And they're bigger than most and tastier, that's why I am the captain of the fish finger. Bird's eye cod fish fingers, you can't get your fingers on finer fish.
Whites, elegant, delicate, with a hint of harmonious color. Cover plus tinted whites blossom at Woolworth.
Castrol GTX Liquid Engineering. Can you afford anything less?
If an eggshell is all that stands between you and the goodness you need to go walkies, speak to it kindly and just say very firmly, walkies. Eggs are smashing. Go smash an egg.
The legend is Lowenbrow. Jean-Pierre Looney Super Skis be the sensation of the slopes. Without a single lesson, you will be suave, confident, unstoppable. Alternatively, thaw out with a pack of Panama cigars. This will bring you instant sex appeal. Because there are 6 of those smooth, smoking Panama cigars in every pack. Panama, the only cigars with 6 appeal.